In this video, I'll show you how to get a Chinese display name on Roblox. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and open up our web browser. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Let's go ahead and type in Chinese translator and type in the language that you would like to translate. In my case, I'm just typing this name. And here, once it has been translated to Chinese letter, tap on this. Copy icon and copy the word. Let's go ahead and open up our Roblox then. You're logged into your Roblox account. Then here you can see my name. Tap onto your profile or your display name and tap on Edit Profile. Then under Display Name, you will be given a box and a pencil icon. Tap onto it. And this is the exact place where you paste the copied Chinese letter and tap onto Save. In my case, I just changed my Japanese name like this, and it has not been more than 7 days. So make sure that you read this before you change your name. Once done, all you have to do is tap onto Done, and that is how you can change your name to Chinese letters. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel.